Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House, and I'm excited to be participating in the Independence Day Open Collab hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabassa Home Living. I will link their channel info along with the playlist link down in my description box so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. So today, the host asked us to decorate any area in our home in red, white, and blue. And I'm going to show you how I styled my bookcase in my home office in my Land of the Free bookcase styling. So let's get into the video. So I've already emptied and cleaned the shelves of the bookcase, so it's ready to be styled. I'm starting with these two flags that I received when my father and grandfather passed away. They both served our country with honor and dignity, and it's only befitting to honor them on Independence Day. My father's flag is on the top shelf, and my grandfather's flag is on the second shelf in the order of their deaths respectively. Then I added the doves on the wooden candlesticks along with the greenery to symbolize their faith in God and their love and devotion that they had for both their family and our country. On the second shelf, I placed a small greenery and blueberry arrangement on each side of the flag and a red rose in each one to symbolize the blood of Jesus that covers all who believe in him. And because of our belief, we know that freedom rings for all. On the third shelf on the left-hand side, I placed a footed tray with candles and a small pineapple. I placed the super cute black truck with florals and a flag on some grass squares with inspirational rocks for encouragement to all. In the right-hand corner, I placed a large pineapple that symbolizes that we are all welcome to experience independence in the land of the free. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video to music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I styled my red bookcase in my home office, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. Please don't forget to go over and see what our host and the other participants in this collab have created to inspire you. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. Thank you so much for visiting the Rodgers House, and have a safe and happy Independence Day.